selling this for a new bike, like a newer one, but I have like attachment issues, so I don't want to betray my bike after everything we've been through, you know, so I don't want to get rid of it, but I do want a newer bike. I would just have a hard time getting rid of this, seeing it go. Alright, I remembered this time there's a bump here. I'm not going to hit my balls. Sweet. Oh, apparently yesterday somebody drove into someone's house along this road. So now that I just remembered that, I'm going to look for it because I want to see the damage. I don't see anything. Did you lie to me? All I saw was that girl staring at me on the porch. I didn't see any. What are you looking at, lady? I didn't see any dented in houses, which is great because nobody got hurt then in that case. You know, I don't want to see anybody get hurt or their property, so that's fine. That's good. I'm confused which house it was because I didn't see anything. Could just be blind. I also closed my vent up top to try to help with the wind noise, even though that helps me because it lets more air into the helmet and feels good. All my videos to sound as good as possible, so I closed them, hoping that makes a difference. I don't see why that would really contribute much, considering they're way up at the top, but there's a lot of things I don't understand. Just a simple-minded individual, so. Oh. Yeah, I don't know if I should push my luck or not. With the rain. Just started making the second video today, but it is quickly getting darker. I wish I knew how to wheelie. Correction, I do know how. I wish I was able to wheelie. You can know how to do something and still not accomplish it. Ooh. Look how tiny I look in the reflection. Get the bike a little more in there. There we go. I've also made the mistake of riding into school traffic, so now I'm going to get stuck. Shit. That's parking spots, you fuck. Can't just drive through that. God, dude, this person behind me is pissing me off. Keep tailgating. Now they just drove through the parking spots because they want to be in this lane. How about you wait until they aren't there and then you drive into the lane like you're supposed to? Everyone always complains about bikers, but I've seen way worse from cars. Bikers are just considered worse because they do stuff cars can't, like squeeze into places and stuff. And are faster. But other than that, like, I see way more horrible car drivers. I chose the worst spot to turn around, I think, because there's nothing even about this pavement. For example, that Jeep that just ran a red light. It's a nice Corvette. They could have crossed like multiple times by now. Well, if you're gonna cross the street, maybe don't just take your sweet time. How about you put in a little bit of effort there, bud? Sorry, I've been getting DMs about being angry in a lot of my videos. I'm really not. I'm a pretty calm person for the most part. I just have days, and today I'm seeing a lot of stupidity, and it's making me mad. Normally, I'm not angry, okay? Look at last video. I literally recorded it the same day. Wasn't mad at all. Pretty much the whole video. I don't think so. Wasn't mad at all. This video, I'm seeing a lot of people do stupid stuff, so it's making me mad. And then it comes out in the videos. But I'm not normally a mad person. But this is the intersection. I was turning right from there to here. They were turning from over there left, and they almost just smacked me right in the middle because apparently they don't understand how right-of-way works, or they just didn't care. But I was real mad. Yeah, I chose the worst time of day to come through here. So I'm gonna head home because, like I said, don't want to get caught in the rain wearing this. Don't want to get caught in the rain, period, but this would make it worse. So I'm gonna head home. If nothing else happens, this will be the end of it. Give me a couple seconds to formulate a sentence. Undercover is out hunting. Another undercover hunter. Anyways, thank you for watching. As always, I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry I got stuck in traffic most of it, but it is what it is. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. There's people blocking the intersection, dude. Let's see this kind of stuff.